As the chill of January envelops much of the world, it may not seem like the ideal time to start gardening. However, for those with foresight and dedication, January is a strategic month to plant seeds of prosperity for the year ahead. Today, we explore 17 versatile crops that, when planned wisely, can sustain a family throughout the seasons. Let's begin with root vegetables, where carrots and radishes are the stars. Not only do they thrive in the mild winter soil, but their robust flavors and rich nutrients make them indispensable kitchen staples. Alongside them, beets and turnips join the ranks, adding their earthy tones to winter stews and fresh spring salads. Transitioning to leafy greens, spinach and kale emerge as the cold weather champions. These hardy greens are packed with vitamins and can remain productive, offering reach-for convenience from garden to table. Meanwhile, cabbages and lettuce with their round, crisp leaves add volume and variety to your homegrown meals. Next are legumes, with peas and broad beans taking center stage. By sowing these now, you can capitalize on their nitrogen-fixing abilities, not only enriching the soil, but providing a wholesome protein source by early spring. For those with an eye on the summer sun, start nurturing tomatoes and peppers indoors. While they won't withstand the frost outside, these seeds can germinate safely on your windowsill, ready to be transplanted when the warmth returns. Bringing diversity to the plot, onions and garlic are unassuming but essential. These will mature slowly as the days lengthen, delivering the allium punch that's fundamental in countless dishes. Lastly, herbs like parsley and cilantro can be sown now indoors. Their aromatic leaves will flavor many a recipe, bridging the gap between culinary and medicinal uses. In thoughtful planning of these crops, you're not only ensuring sustenance but engaging in a rewarding journey from seed to harvest. Embrace the potential of January planting and let the promise of each seed grow into a bountiful future for both garden and family.